If you're not already using AI in your WordPress site, honestly, you're missing out. Everything from generating content to helping you with your SEO, AI tools can help you with so many different tasks. And today, I'm gonna give you a bunch of ways you can use AI in your WordPress site right now. Let's jump in. One of the most popular ways to use AI is to generate text for your site. And now with Divi AI, you can generate text right inside of WordPress without ever leaving your Divi visual builder. Something that makes Divi AI awesome is that it can learn from your site and analyze your existing page content and high-level website details to create consistent, relevant, and contextual content. Because of how this works, you can maintain your unique brand voice and writing style. It's like having a professional copy editor right at your side, ready to assist you in creating on-brand written content and stunning visuals. Plus, since it's so easy to use and right inside Divi, anyone can pick it up and learn the tool. While we're talking about Divi AI, another cool thing it can do is generate incredible images with AI. With this tool, you can both create and also edit stunning images extremely easy and quickly. With other image generators, you're gonna have to use external tools and leave your site, but if you're using Divi already, Divi AI is by far the best and easiest way to create images. With just these tools, you're gonna free up so much of your valuable time while still creating exceptional results. Now, if you wanna check out the power of Divi AI for yourself, you can actually check it out right now. There's gonna be a link down in the video description below so you can try it out for yourself. But one of my favorite ways to utilize AI within WordPress is to help you with SEO tasks. Artificial intelligence can potentially change how you approach your SEO strategy entirely. AI SEO tools analyze your content, suggest improvements, and can even help predict how well it will perform in search engine rankings. This isn't just about keyword stuffing or meta tags, it's about creating content that is genuinely valuable to your audience and optimized for search engines. One tool that really stands out in this regard is RankMath's Content AI. It's a WordPress plugin that uses AI to help optimize your content for SEO. It's always had an SEO score based on important yet generic SEO metrics, but now it has Content AI, which uses AI to analyze a keyword and SERP to compare your content with. Another awesome way to use AI within WordPress is to enrich your web forms. Forms are the backbone of any website, collecting information, generating leads, and facilitating user interactions. But managing and optimizing forms can be a tedious task. One awesome tool that brings the power of AI to your WordPress forms is Formidable Forms. It integrates with OpenAI to show generative AI responses to users based on form field inputs. If you have an idea about getting AI to output some content when a user uses a form, this is an excellent feature with Formidable Forms that you can try. Also, I figure this is a good time to mention any of the tools I do talk about. I'll put a link down in the video description so that you can check them out for yourself. If you do decide to make a purchase using these links, we may receive a commission, which does help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. Another awesome use case for AI on your WordPress site is being able to translate your site into many different languages. Today, language should never be a hurdle for websites. Your site should be a global village, accessible to users from every nook and cranny, regardless of their language or location. This is where I want to talk about Weglot, which is an AI-powered translation plugin that makes your WordPress site multilingual. It doesn't just translate your content though, it ensures that Google indexes each translated post and page easily. If you're looking for multilingual support, this is definitely the place I would look first. Visual content is the lifeblood of many websites, and being able to use AI to optimize your images is an incredible use of the technology. There are a lot of ways you can optimize images with AI, and if you're looking for AI image compression, you should give Short Pixel a try. It's an AI-powered plugin that optimizes your images without compromising their quality. It uses advanced compression algorithms to reduce file sizes while maintaining the visual quality of your images. And while we're talking about optimizing images, another thing you can do with AI is upscaling your images as well. This is another thing that Divi AI does incredibly well, and you can do it by just simply clicking on your image and choosing if you want to upscale it, and it happens all inside your visual builder, making it incredibly easy and quick. Another super powerful way you can use AI for WordPress is to be able to write custom-coded solutions. Customization is the key to standing out in a digital landscape. Your WordPress site should be unique while also reflecting your brand's identity and meeting your needs. Writing custom code can be a super time-consuming process, and if you want to simplify it, AI tools can help you do that. One of the easiest ways out there to do this is with CodeWP. This is a service that uses AI to write custom code snippets for your WordPress site. It doesn't just generate code, it creates solutions tailored to your needs. Whether you want to add a new feature or enhance an existing one, CodeWP has you covered. By utilizing AI tools and WordPress, the possibilities are honestly endless. Now, there is a blog article that's also linked down in the video description that goes into a lot more different use cases for AI and WordPress as well. I just wanted to give you a few of my favorites and top uses that I could think of to get you on your way with using AI right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. Before you go though, make sure you check out some of our other videos. We've been doing a lot, especially covering AI technology. So if you don't want to miss that, subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next one.